Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. The Guelph and local area markets incurred slight price drops throughout the month of June. However, they all had an increase in the number of sales, which is signaling a market that continues to be balanced overall. I'll discuss this further, but let's first take a look at some of the key metrics in all of our local markets relative to June of last year. So for Guelph, the median sale price was $775,000, which was down by 3.1%. The median days to sell was 19 days, which is up by 18.8%. The total number of listings was 426, down by 4.1%, and the total number of sales was 181, up by 4%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $700,000, down by 3.8%. In Waterloo, it was $750,000, down by 2.3%. And in Cambridge, it was $726,500, down by 3.1%. June 2025 brought a mixed bag for Guelph's real estate market. Subtle shifts that tell a deeper story about where things might be headed. The median sale price dipped by 3.1% compared to last June, as previously mentioned, settling in at $775,000. While this softening may be welcome news for some buyers, the broader picture shows a market that's neither racing ahead or slowing dramatically. Homes are taking longer to sell, averaging 19 days on market, which is up by nearly 19%. And while listings were down slightly by 4.1%, more homes changed hands as sales rose by 4% year over year. For buyers, this signals an interesting moment. Prices are down, giving a bit of breathing room. And properties are sitting on the market longer, which may allow more time to make decisions and negotiate. However, with fewer listings, competition for well-priced and desirable homes still could be a factor, especially in popular neighborhoods. Sellers might feel the impact of the price dip, but the increase in sales activity is a positive sign. Serious buyers are still out there, and homes that are well prepared, properly marketed, and well priced are selling. It's not a market for testing high price points, but for those who align with current buyer expectations, there's still plenty of opportunity out there. If you're thinking about buying or selling before the end of the year, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll help you navigate the market with confidence. Thanks a lot for joining me today, and have a great day.